Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and this also gives you a bunch of toggles right here. Let me just make sure. Actually, I will rephrase that. You want to pull down the toggles by swiping down from the right side of the screen, as there is a divide between those two. So here you will find a bunch of toggles, and obviously we're looking for the power saving toggle. So let's quickly see if I can find it. Disregard the sounds of crying baby outside. Now, anyway, I don't think it's added. Either that or I'm being distracted by the cries of an infant. So let's just see if we can add it. So we're gonna click right here on these three dots, and we're gonna select Edit Shortcut Switches. Swipe down, and here you'll find a bunch of toggles that are turned off from showing up here. And we have ultra power saving mode right here, which I can already see. I'm gonna add that just so I can showcase this. It's probably not what most people will be looking for, but I still want to demonstrate it just in case. And assuming we don't have any other way to access power saving mode, this will most likely give us a way to still access it. So anyway, I'm gonna close this now. So as you can see, there's the toggle, and I'm gonna first enable it. So we're gonna click on it and select Enable Ultra Power Saver. Enable, and it's gonna start closing and freezing applications, and there we go, it's now enabled. And as you can see, this is all you get. You get a couple applications which you can add here. You get quick access to Wi-Fi, mobile data, and location, because obviously you can turn those off when you're done needing them, as they do consume more phone battery. And you can clearly see this is designed for just power management as much as it can be done. Anyway, I'm gonna close this now. I'm gonna select OK. It's going to exit power saving mode, and let's find the toggle once more, but this time around I'm going to hold it. Okay, so this takes us still to the same place, but when we go back, we do have the battery lab. This is in the settings, and in here we have power boost, ultra power saver, and battery saving settings. And here we have just a bunch of settings associated with the battery saving, though these look like they're all automated to run at specific times, which the device just kind of defines them. So we have adaptive battery, detects power usage by apps to improve battery efficiency. So just kind of scans how you use the device and then tries to, for instance, close applications when the device knows that you typically wouldn't be using said applications at this time, to obviously preserve battery life. So it looks like on here we don't really have a battery saver. Oh no, we do, right at the bottom. So you can enable it in here. There is no toggle by the looks of it. So once you're done needing it, you will need to go back here and into the settings and define the toggle and then turn it off. But this is basically the power saving mode called battery saver right here. And this is just an additional power saving management on top of the ones that come already pre-enabled. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.